These bridges are going higher and higher. These bridges are going higher and higher. Look down there. Can y'all see that? I hope my sun passed not in the way this time. But this bridge is straight up in the air. Oh my gosh. Look at the hardware on this. Look at the hardware on this bridge. Really? Who builds this stuff? Who maintains it? That is the other word. Who maintains this stuff? Look at the city over there. Look! Oh my God. I've seen so much out here. Yeah, I've never really traveled the South, but I can tell you it's been an experience all the way.